Hello friends. In this video we will discuss about first aid kit. First aid is the immediate help that is given to a person before visiting a hospital, and it is also important for a number of situations that don't require visiting a hospital. These situations include minor falls, minor cuts, bee stings, burns, allergic reactions, and other common accidents. A first aid kit is helpful for any of these types of situations. Many people put together a first aid kit for home and their car so that they can use it while traveling, work, or at any place when needed. A well-stocked first aid kit provides you with the supplies you need to be ready for most minor emergencies. It can prove to be extremely beneficial for saving someone's life as well. Making a first aid kit is as simple as placing some basic items in a small container, which is lightweight and easy to handle. You can choose one, having separate sections to keep multiple items in an organized manner. Keep the container in the medicine cabinet or in a place which is free of humidity or direct sunlight at your home, and store the kit far from reach of young children. You can also keep one such kit in your car or carry one with you when you're out of the house. Please consider subscribe. Thank you for watching.